It's all about the spray pattern when it comes down to nitrous nozzles. In this video, I'm putting 3 different dry nozzles to the test to find the best spray pattern that will work for my newest project. We need perfect atomization, turning that liquid nitrous oxide into a gas instantly to mix with the intake air. Stick around for the spray test. In a previous test where I sprayed the nitrous before the throttle body, it seems that the runner's position furthest away received the most amount of nitrous. In the tuner scene in the early 2000s, you would see a few imports that would run the dry direct port nitrous. Nitrous Express offers a 6-cylinder direct port nitrous system. Nitrous 2 outlet also offers a dry direct port system, and so do the other manufacturers. I've got the old school ZEC system under the hood, and it's been good to me since 2005, but I need more for my new engine build for my new nitrous project. So we're modifying the whole rig for direct port setup. We'll be modifying the setup because ZEC, to my knowledge, does not offer any direct port kits. So what jet size will I need? ZEC offers a basic chart in their manual, but it is only rated for their kits. The ratings are 55, 65, and 75 horsepower for one nozzle with a jet. Since this is a street build car, I'm looking to stay around 75 to 100 horsepower nitrous shot. Here's an example of what Nitrous 2 outlet has on their jet chart for a 6-cylinder direct port nitrous setup. For a 75 horsepower shot, it recommends a jet size of 0.02 for each 6 jets. According to another chart by NOS, they show that a 0.020 jet is good for 15 horsepower per nozzle, and they have a calculation, and if I'm using 6 of them, they equal 90 horsepower total. So that is the information about a dry shot, but I also need to consider a wet shot as well. Why? This is because ZEC calls their kit a wet-dry system. This is because the nitrous jet sprays dry, but with the nitrous controller, it turns up the fuel by adjusting your fuel pressure regulator. This is why they have a jet for the fuel as well. Another factor to consider for jets is the minimum size recommendations. I don't want it to clog and I don't want it to freeze. So I think 0.02 is a perfect size to start with. Since the nitrous nozzles are so close to the intake valves, I'm looking for a certain spray. I am looking for a nozzle that throws a nice wide pattern, particularly a pattern that is slow flowing. A dry shot behaves totally different than a wet one. This is because it's spraying pure nitrous without a fuel carrier. That dry needs more runway to hit its flashing point, turning from a liquid into a gas. The Nitrous Nozzle is the one that originally came with the kit. It sprays a very narrow, long stream of nitrous. It came down to a photo finish between these two. We got the blue fan spray versus the ice cream cone scooper. Now both of them throw a nice wide pattern. but the win has to go to the ice cream scooper. What sells it for me is that it is a slower and more controlled flow that creates the cleanest fog I've seen.